The public was given an update on the status of the CIP on Wednesday night through the voice of Minister for Investment, Dr. Ernest Hiliaire. There has been much contention around the program in recent weeks, largely due to an ongoing legal battle involving CIP CEO McClaude Emmanuel. Emmanuel has been named in a RICO suit which alleges that he is a co-conspirator with controversial real estate developer Caribbean Galaxy to commit fraud. These claims have been largely highlighted by the UWP, who have called for Emmanuel's suspension. In response, Dr. Hilaire noted that the opposition's decision to align with MSR Media is concerning.
It is concerning that the United Workers' Party, and in particular the leader of the opposition, Mr. Juste, has aligned himself with this individual who has clearly embarked on a quest to destroy St. Lucia and the CIP, our visa-free arrangements and corresponding banking relationships by making false, baseless, malicious and scandalous accusations of fraud and corruption in the CIP in St. Lucia, where there is none.
Hilaire further contended that the state's position has always been to avoid getting into a dispute between non-governmental actors.
Caribbean Galaxy has a project in St. Lucia, and as such, Mr. Martinez has sought to include St. Lucia in his claims. St. Lucia's position was that this is a matter between St. Kitts, Caribbean Galaxy and Mr. Martinez, and we did not want to get involved. Mr. Martinez's response was that he had evidence of Galaxy's wrongdoing and invited the Prime Minister and myself to Washington to examine the evidence. Again, our position was clear. We were not going to be drawn into Martinez's conflict with the government and people of St. Kitts and Galaxy. Our position remains. We do not want to get involved in this matter, and Mr. Martinez should seek to resolve his dispute in the court of law.
Dr. Hilaire went on to indicate that the government has instructed his lawyers to take action to protect the best interests of the state.
The response of Mr. Martinez was to file a RICO civil lawsuit, which includes two former Prime Ministers of St. Kitts, Caribbean Galaxy, and McClaude Emmanuel, CEO of St. Lucia's CIP, as defendants. In the lawsuit, he claims that Mr. Emmanuel is aware of the alleged scam and has failed to stop it. We have instructed our lawyers to take all necessary action in the U.S. courts to remove Mr. Emmanuel's name from this filing, as this is not related to St. Lucia, nor Mr. Emmanuel, and is clearly malicious.
Further details surrounding the status of the CIP will be given in a subsequent report. For Choice News Now, I am Quinn St.